After this, Bohol naman. Kung nasaan yung mga kapatid kong tertiary. Pabalik na tayo ng hotel sa Crown Regency Hotel. So ayun guys, nandito na tayo sa Crown Regency. Papark lang tayo. Yan o, Crown Regency. You know. Crown Regency. So ayan, papark na tayo. Diyan mo lang i-park, driver. There oh, over there, okay? Here, alright. Alright, yan. Okay.